didn't happen suddenly. It waited. Silence used to feel like something was wrong, like I'd missed a signal or failed a test. Every quiet moment held its breath, so did I. I learned to stay alert, even when nothing moved. That was the rule for a long time. Then silence felt safe, not empty, not watching me. Silence felt safe, like a chair that didn't tip. No alarms in my chest, no scanning the room, just space doing nothing to me. The quiet didn't ask for courage, it just stayed. I didn't relax, I softened. There's a difference. My body noticed first. Silence fell